What's the meaning of bosberaad? Bosberaad. Bosberaad.
Bosberaad. Bosberaad. Bosberaad is an Afrikaans term that refers to a meeting or discussion held in a secluded outdoor location, typically involving important decision-making processes or strategic planning. The word literally translates to bush council in English, and has historical roots in the South African political and military context. The result of a typical bosberaad can vary depending on the specific context and purpose of the meeting. However, some common outcomes may include the development of new ideas or strategies, the resolution of complex issues, the strengthening of relationships and communication between participants, and the emergence of innovative solutions to pressing challenges. Overall, a bosberaad can serve as a valuable tool for promoting collaboration, creativity, and strategic thinking.